Well, it's so extraordinary now that we want to make sure that anybody that comes into AOA feels perfectly comfortable coming in. So we ask that everyone wears a mask. We have sanitary liquid right in the front door area so that the minute you come in, you can cleanse your hands. We have a front desk staff that's always masked. We ask that everyone that comes in wear their mask as they walk through the gallery. We have directional arrows on the floor so that we can maintain safety at all times. Because when you come into an establishment, you want to make sure that you're safe. So we have followed all the guidelines to ensure safety here. We constantly talked about how can we maintain safety, what do we need to do here. We purchased a lot of materials to maintain safety. We have masks on hand so that if someone needs a mask, we have them right at the front desk. We have followed all the guidelines and more because we're very conservative. We want to make sure we're doing our part to make this disease go away. The more that we can work together to get this disease, this virus over and done with as fast as possible, the better for all of us. So we just all follow the rules, do what we can do to keep safe and to keep our fellow citizens safe. It's important that we trust each other and we work together right now, because if we don't, it's just going to take longer and it will cause more shutdowns. If we can just all work together, do the right thing, we'll keep businesses from closing.